Brandon Green here at Sarchione Ford, bringing this brand new 2018 Ford F-150 Super Crew FX4. It is one of our service loaners. Let me know what you think. We have this brand new 2018 Ford F-150 SXT FX4 off-road 4-wheel drive. Has real nice alloy wheels, 6.5 foot bed, tow package, power windows, power locks, keyless entry, Super Crew, so you got the full 4 doors. Just super clean, obviously, for a brand new car. It comes with 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain. On the inside, you have power everything, cruise control on the steering wheel, Bluetooth audio, touchscreen, Sync 3, climate control, AM, FM, XM. Tons of space in the back seats. Seats 3 extremely comfortably. Super nice truck.